5 Yoruba riddles, their English translations, and solutions to them. Alo.
Alo.
Adìyẹ bàbá mi kan láíláí. Adìyẹ bàbá mi kan láíláí. Ó lẹ́sẹ̀ mẹ́rin láàárọ̀. Ó ní méjì lọ́sàn-án. Ó sì ní mẹ́ta lálẹ́. Kí ni o? My father's ancestral hen, it has 4 legs in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 3 legs in the evening. What is it? The answer to this Yoruba riddle is ènìyàn, human being. You know, the hen and its leg in this Yoruba riddle symbolizes the human being and human development. In life, human development is typically in 3 stages. The first stage is a toddlerhood stage, where movement is achieved when toddlers use their 2 palms and their 2 knees for movement. The toddler is represented in this riddle as the hen that has 4 legs in the morning, àárọ̀. The first palm symbolizes the first leg. The second palm symbolizes the second leg. The first knee symbolizes the third leg, while the second knee symbolizes the fourth leg. So the second developmental stage in human is the childhood and adulthood stage. This is the stage when children and adults walk with their 2 legs. This is the period when movement is achieved using the 2 legs. Children and adults are represented as the hen that has 2 legs in the afternoon. Afternoon, as you must have guessed, is a period of childhood and adulthood. The third stage is the old stage when old humans walk with their 2 legs and a walking stick. The walking stick in this riddle is figuratively used to describe the third human leg. Alo.
Alo.
Olówó rẹrù, ìwọ̀fà rẹ̀ tẹ̀lé. Kí ni o? The wealthy man carries load, while the spawn follows behind. What is it? The answer to this Yoruba riddle is ajá, dog. You know, the pawn in this riddle is a representation of a dog. The concept of pawnship in the old Yoruba society is a system of debt bondage. If a free person or the head of a family could not repay a significant debt, they would offer themselves or a family member into service to their creditors. This pawn, known as Iwofa, are very submissive and loyal to their creditors. So the question that might pop up your mind is that why would the wealthy creditor carry load while the Iwofa walks behind him audaciously? The answer to this Yoruba riddle is dog, because dogs are also very submissive and loyal to their owners, but unfortunately, they do not possess the physical strength to carry loads like donkeys, horses, and all. So the owner of the dog has no choice but to carry his loads by himself. Olówó rẹrù, ìwọ̀fà rẹ̀ tẹ̀lé. Alo.
Alo.
Òòṣà kan ń bẹ lọ́jà Akẹ̀sán, ojoojúmọ́ ní gbẹbọ. Bí tí ń gbà lọ́wọ́ ọmọdé, bẹ́ẹ̀ ní gbà lọ́wọ́ àgbà. Bí tí ń gbà lọ́wọ́ ọkùnrin, bẹ́ẹ̀ ní gbà lọ́wọ́ obìnrin. Kí ni o? There's a deity at Akẹ̀sán's market which receives sacrifice every day. It receives sacrifice from the young ones as well as the old ones. The answer to this Yoruba riddle is ẹnu, mouth. The riddle describes a deity in Akẹ̀sán's market that receives sacrifices from everyone daily. This is figurative. The deity is the mouth, ẹnu, and the sacrifices are food and drink. Both young and old must eat every day, so they all offer something to the mouth. It's called a deity to show how important and constantly served the mouth is. Alo.
Alo.
Mo wò yín, mo rí ìyá mi òdèrè. Mo wò ọ̀hún, mo rí ìyá mi òdèrè. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ìyá mi ò dèrè òrebì kankan. Kí ni o? I looked here. I didn't see my mother. Òdèrè. I looked there. I didn't see my mother. Òdèrè. Yet my mother did not go anywhere. What is it? The answer to this Yoruba riddle is etí, ear. You know, the mother represents the ear in this riddle. Even though our ear is always present on the head, you cannot easily see them when you look around normally, especially without a mirror. It hasn't gone anywhere, but it's simply not within your direct line of sight. Àlọ́ o.
Alo.
Àgbò dúdú bọ̀ lọ́jọ́ dódò, ó di funfun. Kí ni o? The black robust goat reaches the river and turned right. The answer to this Yoruba riddle is ọṣẹ dúdú, black soap. Black soap is dark in color, of course, just like a black goat. But when the black soap comes in contact with water, it produces white foam, making it look as if it has turned white. So the river represents water, and the whiteness is the lather formed when the soap is used. Àgbò dúdú bọ̀ lọ́jọ́ dódò, ó di funfun. We've come to the end of the riddles. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need a Yoruba tutor for you or your kids, I'm very much at your service. And if you want to learn AI video making, please contact me on the number you're seeing on your screen. My name is Fawaz Adebayo Ajani, and it's a bye for now.